Hello everyone, and our friend is virtual reality. Virtual reality is a gateway to infinite possibility. We could experience any situation with VR, but one of the main problems is that VR is not realistic enough. It lacks on final details like shadowing, and it lacks on haptic, which is touch. Computer currently do not have the refresh and update rate to keep scene that is realistic enough, and people don't want to spend money because it is expensive. This grand challenge is in A and E because it has a potential to improve every aspect of our lives. For example, it can be used in medical, business, and education world.
When most people think about modern day VR, they think of entertainment devices that we see today. Notable ones include Oculus Rift, HTC Vive, Samsung Gear VR, and others like the Google Daydream. Currently, these devices are often used for gaming, and the cost ranges from anywhere from $100 to $600. Though the most obvious applications of these are gaming, there are many other applications of VR that consumers are interested in. In a recent study, it was shown that people are interested in a variety of different uses, ranging from virtual tourism to home design to even having business meetings in it. Currently, we see different applications as shown. We have IKEA's VR experience, which allows for users to model appliances and furniture in their home. We also have uses in the military for training applications. In addition, we also bring VR to the classroom to enhance students' learnings, as well as in the medical field, where doctors can image and effectively treat patients.
When it comes to proposed solutions for the NAE's grand challenges, there are both engineering and non-engineering solutions. Computer engineers will have to work to write programs and complicated code that can effectively create images that mirror reality. Electrical engineers will have to work on the hardware and the circuits that go in this hardware in order to produce better headsets and better headphones. And then on the non-engineering side, business leaders will have to work to invest into VR. That way it will drive the prices down for the consumer, so they'll be more likely to buy VR. Examples of engineering solutions in the real world today include electrorheological fluids, which are fluids that change their density based on electric currents running through them. This can provide a more realistic sense of touch in VR. And then also inside out tracking, which involves taking the components needed for motion tracking and placing them inside the headset as opposed to keeping them outside in the environment. In the business world, business leaders will soon begin investing in VR because there's a large amount of money to be made in every sector of VR, including healthcare, engineering, real estate, and various other public sector items. And then also on the consumer side, video games and live events will also be soon invested in and have a potential to make a lot of money.